Myself Monika, and I'm a legal intern in LEXIS and Company, and today we'll be talking about the incorporation of companies. The process of incorporation of company generally involves several types and can vary depending on its jurisdiction. It includes various steps including determining the type of company, choose a name, prepare the required documents, share capital and shareholders, required office and statutory requirements, appointment of directors and officers, filing and registration, obtain certificate of incorporation, and post-incorporation compliances. First, determine the type of company. Decide on the type of company you want to incorporate, such as private limited company, public limited company, or any other specific type recognized by the relevant Companies Act or legislation. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your company, ensuring it complies with the naming regulations specified by the Companies Act. The name should not be similar to any existing company and must not violate any trademark or intellectual property rights. Prepare the required documents such as Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association, Form of Association. Memorandum of Association, the document includes the outline of the company's objectives, name, registered office, address, and the details of the shareholders. Article of Association defines the internal rules, regulations, and governance structure of the company. Form of incorporation. Depending on the jurisdiction, you may need to complete a specific form application for incorporation providing details of the company, its shareholder, directors, and other relevant information. Share capital and shareholders. Determine the share capital of the company and the number and value of the shares to be issued. Identify the initial shareholders or subscribers who will hold these shares. Registered office and statutory requirements. Choose a registered office address for the company, which will be official address for the correspondence and where legal documents can be served. Ensure compliances with any statutory requirements related to the registered office, such as maintaining company register and records. Appointment of directors and officers. Identify the initial directors and key officers of the company, such as company secretary, as required by the Companies Act. Ensure that the directors meet the eligibility criteria and fulfill their statutory obligations. Filling and registration. Submit the necessary incorporation documents, including the Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association, and other required forms, to the relevant government authority or company's registrar. Pay the prescribed fees and taxes associated with the registration process. Obtain certificate of incorporation. Upon successful review and approval of the incorporation documents, you will receive a certificate of incorporation or similar documents from the registrar of companies. This certificate confirms the legal existence of the company. Post-incorporation compliances. Once the company is incorporated, there may be additional compliances requirements such as obtaining tax registrations, applying for necessary licenses and permits, obtaining a bank account, complying with ongoing reporting, and filling obligations. It is important to consult the specific Companies Act or relevant legislation of the jurisdiction where you wish to incorporate the company. Now I would like to wind up my topic, and in case if you guys having any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.